up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 44 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our friends over at DeAgostini. Yes, so if you'd like to build this 1/6 scale, yes, 1/6, head over to this link here. That takes you to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Think and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful model, folks. Let's have a scoot through the mag. This is all American in Death Valley in the Mojave Desert, the hottest place on the planet. Today, with a little care and common sense, the roads that run through it can be used without much danger. But in the past, driving in the valley was risky. Yes, folks. Some more information there. Replica of the Model E50 there, the car originally built for Walter Scott, Death Valley Scotty as he was known. The car was the first to be designed specifically for use in the valley. There you go. And now look at what we've got. Yeah, big Jeep, big wheels. What can you say? Today we're going to be putting in the intermediate chassis cover, folks, so we'll need our chassis section that we've been building up so we can put this in place. Pretty straightforward issue, folks. Plenty of screws and bits and bobs going in just to get this prepped and ready for when we start adding all the extras, front frame and things like that, folks. Okay, so give the instructions a once over so that you can see what you're doing. Next up, you've got Ford GT Roadsters there, interior there, looking as after a thorough restoration that returned it to its original condition. That's a nice job they've done there, isn't it? Look at that, absolutely stunning. And there they are in all their glory, GT40s. Look at them, eh? Mean machines, isn't they? There you go. Looking rather resplendent in its replica Roadster colours there. And this is the 108 rear display, large vents and the wing shape on the upper bodywork. Absolutely, folks. There you go. That's the magazine done for today. Like I say, have a cup of tea and give them a read, folks. They really are worth it. And then we can now put that at the back and get our bits and bobs out so that we can start a bit of building. Right, folks, there's your bits and bobs, all the screws laid out, intermediate fixings, etc. So let's get these all ready, and then we can start putting this on the chassis section, folks, which is just there. Looking rather large, isn't she? So that's what we've got today. So let's just drop this in place like so. And it's going to sit something like that. Okay, so I'll just press that into its final place. And then we can start putting in some screws, peeps. So we got DS02 screws going in. So we'll grab a bit of oil. Get that ready. And our screwdriver of goodness. There you go. And we can start putting some of this together, folks. So DS02s, which are up there. A little bit of oil on the end of the thread there. And we're going in each side of this tunnel. Like that. Same the other side. Very simple process. The oil just helps the screw glide in a bit easier. So we've got two screws there. We've got a PS11 going up there, which is this one. Got like a little built-in washer on it. That goes up on top of that tunnel section there. That then pulls that down at the top of that arch. Grab that screw there. And then we got a couple of screws going along here, 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 and here, all the way around. Okay, so that'll give us 4 more screws. So let's just pop them in. Grab that one. Pop that in place. A couple more screws, and then that's that intermediate piece in. 1 screw there. And just adding these few little bits just gives you the strength. That's all you want. Just in there like that. Right. So that's that in place. What else is it? It says finally press these parts in place from underneath. So let's spin that round. Pop that in like so. And then we are pressing these in situ just along these edges here. So it's saying just to the side of the tunnel there with this little section. So that is going in here like so. It's for the parking brake hook and that section there. So we just press that in there. There's a tiny little hole. And the same with this little hook as well, folks. Okay, so it's got a little peg on there. And that goes in that section up there, is what it's telling us. And that goes up under there. And it needs a PS14 screw on there. So let's find our little PS14 screw, which is there. And we'll pop that in place as well, folks. We'll drop a little bit of oil on. And then bring that peg in place there. Rest that in there. And then we'll put the PS14 screw. There you go. Got me trembles again. And now let's pull that in situ like that. And there you go, folks. That is what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. Here's a big old chassis section like so. Okay, let's try and get that centre shot. That's what you're going to end up with. You've got your intermediate section in and you've got your 2 components in. Okay, so don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link here, all the way along there. That will take you to the DeAgostini website where you can take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful 1/6 scale Mustang, folks. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there, and that will give you notifications of future content, folks, as well. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Thanks for coming in and keeping me company. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.